So I'm here at Stony Brook near Birches Valley in Cannock Chase, very close to where I live, so it's a quick trip just down the road. So join me for episode 2 of Macro Adventures. So when it comes to macro photography, if all else fails and you don't find anything, you can always photograph a dandelion clock. So we have a little one just here, and this gives me an opportunity to talk about your live view. So if your camera supports live view, which most cameras do these days, what we can do is flip into live view, and then I can set my f-stop, which I've set to 7.1, and my shutter speed to 200. When I press the shutter button halfway down, it will bring up an exposure simulation, which will automatically boost up the ISO to show you a preview, which means you're able to focus and get the shot you want. Just like that. So we've come across this little mushroom right here, and I'm in live view, and what I've done is I've just propped my camera onto one of my torches. I'm going to focus on the forward part of the mushroom and we'll take a picture. And you can see there it's a little bit boring. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out one of my background cards. I'm going to place that behind the mushroom and take another picture. You can see there how that just makes a far more pleasing image. The mushroom's not lost in the background like it was before. It stands there and brings focus to the mushroom, and we have a nice colourful background. So always take some coloured card or paper with you on your macro trips, because you never know when you might need them. Okay, so we've just found a ladybird. So what I'm going to do here, the image that I would like is to have a nice blue sky. But unfortunately, we are overcast. So we're not going to be able to get a blue sky. I'm going to pull out my blue background and place that down there so I can grab it quickly. F16, ISO 100, and we're at 1/200th of a second on the shutter speed. And what's important here is I need to get a green leaf. Okay, so we have a green leaf. I'm going to grab the ladybird. Okay, so there he is. I'm going to let him walk onto the leaf. So I'm going to hold the blue card with my 2 fingers at the back here. I've got a leaf with the ladybird on it, and I'm going to put him in front of my lens and just take a picture. Right, so we've just found this ant who's having a really good feed on this dandelion flower here. So what I've done again, I've put my blue background in the back. I'm overpowering the flash by 2 stops so that we can expose for the background. And I'm just going to take some shots of this ant now as it crawls around on this dandelion flower. So do you ever find yourself going out, doing macro work and not finding any subjects? Because I've done it quite a few times. Don't worry about it, it's not a problem. What's important is that get out there and actually photograph. The more you photograph, the better you will get. So that's it for this macro adventure. Let me know in the comments what you thought about it. What did you like about the images? Did you like them? Disliked them? Let me know in the comments. But for now, I want to go back to the pub again, and I'll see you on the next one. We got the camera and everything in. Whoops. He just catapulted, I don't know where he's gone. Right. Oh, off. I'm going to try and get to his level and take a picture. Whoops. Whoops. Okay.